one time for the one time. It is your girl Minnie and I am back at it with another flipping video. And today I'm doing another fall inspired look. I really like this look. And yeah, honey, let's get into this. I'm not even trying to ramble or nothing like that. If you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video, anytime me and my boyfriend uploads a new video. And yeah, let's just get into this look. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the Moroccan Spice and get this brown.
I mean, that's not brown. That's really like a taupe shade. But I'm just putting that all in the crease. Yeah.
My brushes is dirty, so I'm making do with this brush, so don't mind it.
Found the fluffier brush from e.l.f., so I'm using that instead.
Then I'm going to take this shade right here, this burgundy shade, and buff out the edge.
I definitely need to buy more Morphe brushes, and I need a solution to clean the brushes.
Then I'm going to take this gray right here. Where is that? This gray. And put that on the inner corner and the outer. Then I'm going to take this blue right here and put that all in the center. I'll go back in with the gray. So I'm going to do the wing line and then I'm going to do the rest of my face. I'm not going to really talk on that part because I do it numerous times and I'm just going to speed through it. So let's get it.
I definitely need a new pen eyeliner because that one has like a ball at the tip and I keep messing up. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this up. So now I'm priming my face with the Fenty primer and I'm gonna use the Fenty foundation in 385. Now I'm setting my face with the Jouer setting powder in the shade medium. To conceal, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty in the shade 360. I think I want to go a shade lighter, but we'll see. To contour, I'm taking Starstruck's contouring powder in the shade Honey. To set, I'm taking the Fenty Beauty in the shade Honey.
I'm gonna put my lashes on and I'll be right back.
I'm going right back in with that brown and just putting it right under the waterline. I'm taking this shimmery white and putting it right in the corner of my eyes, girl. I'm using Starstruck's loose highlighting powder in the shade Belle. I'm using MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner and their lipstick Cyber. I love Cyber, child. Honey, child, I love Cyber.
We gon' be here for a long time. Call out of work, you ain't gonna make it on time. Hope you don't got asthma the way I put it on ya. When I grab your neck, you already know what's next. You have so much to say, but now all I hear is yes. Oh yes, and I know that you're a freak like me, so tell them all B-R-B.
This is like very fall inspired. I really like this palette. Yeah, shout out to Riri for this one. I know I'm very late, but I had to hop on the train, you know. I'm very happy with this look. If you like this look, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and leave a comment down below what palette you want me to use next. And until next time, peace.